Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a pretty cool drill for finding your hinge and turning your glutes and your hamstrings on. So I've done videos about hinging in the past, and if you don't know, a hinge is simply folding at your hips, and that is a movement that you were designed to make throughout your entire life. You were made to be able to hinge, and being able to hinge makes life easier. Now, if you're clever, you're probably thinking, but I'm folding at my hips here when I'm sitting. And so sitting is a hinge. And yeah, kinda, but sitting is not an active hinge. So hinging is active. So the front side of your body is pulling you down in a flexion, and the back side of your body is helping you raise up out of that flexion. And when we sit, well, really nothing's doing nothing. So it's very passive, right? You're really just resting or folding or collapsing onto whatever you're sitting most of the time. So sitting is not really active, even though it is a fold in the hips, but it's not the hinge that's going to make your life better. In fact, it won't make your life better off if you sit all day. So anyway, back to my drill. So, rocking does help the body learn how to hinge, and it does a lot of other wonderful things. So you can take rocking though, and you can rock propped up on say a chair that you might be sitting on, and you can rock back and forth. But here's the cool part of the drill: rock all the way back, still keeping your chest up, folding into your hips, and then let go and stand up, and then fold right back to where you were. Find the chair again with your hands, rock forward. So you rock back, your weight is over your feet. You've got that big fold in your hips. You're gonna let go, and when you stand, you're gonna feel these glutes turn on, and they're gonna raise you up. And then you simply fold back down. You may feel a stretch in your hamstrings, awesome. Put your hands back on the bench and rock forward. So this is a great way, by the way, this is a hinge, man. This is a true hinge. And when you let go, well, you're truly rising. You're truly being active, not passive. It's a very active movement, and you'll find, if you explore this, you'll discover you got glutes. And even if you're a seasoned veteran weightlifter, hinger, deadlifter, swinger, so are you a swinger? That's the kettlebell thing. This is still a family show. But even if you are used to hinging, if you do this drill here, you will wake up these glutes and these hamstrings, and it's a phenomenal movement. You just gotta try it. So that's our tip for this week: how to find your hinge and turn your glutes on, or just be aware that you have glutes and hamstrings. By the way, why would you want to hinge? Why do you need to hinge? Because it just really does make life easier. So if I need to pick up something off the floor, if I can't squat, although I should be able to, but hinging just makes life easier, especially if you do want to actively sit in a chair for a brief second and then rise up out of that chair, turning those glutes on so that you can easily bounce right up out of that chair and go about your business. All right, so all of that to say, you need to be able to hinge, and this is a great way to learn how to hinge and turn your butt on. All right, that's our tip for this week. I am Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
If you're not moving as well as you want to, look for an Original Strength professional near you, or come to one of our Pressing Reset workshops. You can find them both on our website, originalstrength.net.